Are your email newsletters getting lost in the crowd? It's time to stand out. With our beautifully designed email editors, you can captivate your subscribers with ease. Introducing the ultimate tool for newsletter creation. Our drag and drop editor lets anyone become a professional email designer. No coding skills are needed. Just choose a block, position it, and watch our AI enhance your words seamlessly. Benefit from our e-commerce blocks, easily connect your online store and start selling. Want to know your audience better? Embed surveys directly into your newsletters for instant feedback. Imagine personalizing your communications like never before. Our unique dynamic content feature targets specific audiences within a single email. You can offer tailored experiences that resonate with each subscriber. What sets MailerLite apart? Our user-friendly design meets powerful analytics. Monitor your campaigns with click maps and performance metrics. Always know what's working and how to improve. Ready to take your newsletters to the next level? Start with our free version, offering essential features plus a free 14-day trial of premium options. No credit card is needed. Don't let the competition overshadow you. Sign up now, and elevate your email marketing game with MailerLite.